The Bill of Rights are the first 10 amendments or changes to the original U.S. Constitution. And here they are in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. The First Amendment, you have the right to generally say what you want, practice whatever religion you want, or none at all, post your opinions for the world to see, protest peacefully, and complain to the government. The Second Amendment, you have the right to own a weapon to defend yourself. Usually we're talking about guns here. The Third Amendment, the military can't just show up and crash at your home and take over your stuff. The Fourth through Eighth Amendments deal with a hypothetical chronological encounter with the justice system. The Fourth Amendment, the government can't go through your personal stuff unless they have a warrant from a judge or a really good reason to assume you're doing something illegal. The Fifth Amendment, if you are arrested by the police, you have the right to know why you're arrested and the right to defend yourself in court. Oh, and you don't have to say anything that might get you into trouble. Also, you can't be put on trial twice for the exact same crime, and if the government takes your property, they have to pay for it. Yeah, they seemingly just threw that one in there. The Sixth Amendment, well, it's just a sequel to the Fifth Amendment. You have the right to a fair and speedy trial. You have the right to confront witnesses who testify against you in trial, and you have the right to a lawyer even if you can't afford one. The Seventh Amendment, if you're suing someone for a decent amount of money, you can have a jury decide the case, not just a judge. In other words, you can also get a jury in civil cases. The Eighth Amendment, a judge can't give you a crazy punishment or a really expensive bail to get temporarily released while awaiting trial. In other words, the punishment has to fit the crime. The Ninth Amendment, the Bill of Rights isn't a complete list. Just because a right isn't mentioned in the Constitution doesn't mean it doesn't exist. And the 10th Amendment, this one is about the power. All powers not listed in the Constitution automatically go to the states or the people. This is why states have their own laws on stuff like what gets taught in school or driver's license requirements. So that's it. If you don't know the Bill of Rights, no problem, just watch this video again.